Welcome to Unlocked, the podcast where we decode the technologies shaping our future. I am your host, Shahid Sharif. Today, we explore a fundamental shift in artificial intelligence that promises to transform how we work, live, and interact with technology itself. While most of us have become familiar with generative AI tools like ChatGPT and DALL-E, a new frontier is emerging that extends far beyond content creation. Today, we examine the evolution from generative AI to agentic AI and why this transition represents one of the most significant developments in artificial intelligence since the introduction of large language models. To understand the significance of agentic AI, we must first establish what distinguishes it from generative AI systems we have grown accustomed to using. Generative AI at its core is a reactive technology. You provide it with a prompt and it generates something new in response. Output can be text, images, code, or analysis. It is brilliant at creation, but it remains fundamentally passive, waiting for your instructions and responding accordingly. Agentic AI represents a paradigm shift. Rather than simply responding to prompts, agentic AI systems can understand goals, formulate plans, make decisions, and execute tasks autonomously. To illustrate this distinction, consider the difference between asking an assistant to research flight options versus having the assistant not only research options but also book the optimal flight, update your calendar, arrange ground transportation, and handle any scheduling conflicts that arise, all without requiring step-by-step guidance. This is not merely an incremental improvement in AI capability, it represents a fundamental change in the relationship between humans and artificial intelligence, moving from a dynamic of command and response to one of delegation and execution. The applications of agentic AI span virtually every aspect of personal and professional life. In personal management, imagine an AI agent that comprehensively manages your schedule by understanding your preferences, priorities, and commitments. This system would automatically reschedule meetings when conflicts arise, book restaurant reservations based on your dietary preferences and social calendar, and plan entire vacations by researching destinations, booking accommodations, and creating detailed itineraries. In business operations, the transformative potential becomes even more apparent. Consider an AI agent that monitors everything like inventory levels, predicts when stock will run low, automatically places orders with preferred suppliers, and negotiates delivery schedules, all while adhering to predetermined budget parameters. This level of autonomous operation could revolutionize supply chain management and operational efficiency. Customer service represents another frontier where agentic AI could fundamentally change user experiences. Rather than simply talking to chatbots that follow predetermined scripts, agentic AI customer service representatives could resolve complex issues by accessing multiple systems, processing refunds, updating account information, and escalating matters to human representatives when necessary, all while maintaining detailed records of each interaction. The implications extend to content creation and marketing as well. An agentic AI system could manage entire marketing campaigns by researching the target audiences, creating content across multiple platforms, scheduling posts for optimal engagement times, monitoring performance metrics, and adjusting strategies based on real-time data, functioning as a complete marketing department. The development of agentic AI relies on sophisticated tools and frameworks that enable the creation of these autonomous systems. Three platforms that stand out as particularly significant in this evolution. LangChain serves as a comprehensive framework that simplifies the process of building applications powered by language models. It provides developers with pre-built components for connecting AI models to external data sources, tools, and APIs. LangChain enables AI agents to use tools such as web browsers, calculators, databases, and APIs, allowing them to gather information and take actions beyond simple text generation. It is particularly valuable for creating the reasoning chains that allow AI to break down complex tasks into manageable steps. AutoGPT represents a more experimental approach to agentic AI development. It is designed to create AI agents that can set their own goals, devise plans to achieve them, and execute those plans with minimal human intervention. AutoGPT can break down large objectives into smaller tasks, prioritize them, and work through them systematically. While still largely experimental, AutoGPT demonstrates the potential for truly autonomous AI agents that can pursue long term goals and adapt their strategies based on results and changing circumstances. The third tool is Lovable, which focuses on practical, deployable solutions that business can implement today. Unlike the experimental nature of AutoGPT, Lovable emphasizes on creating agents that can integrate with existing software systems, automate workflows, and handle routine tasks while providing transparency and control to users. The platform prioritizes reliability and practical utility over experimental capabilities. The benefits of agentic AI are substantial and multifaceted. The most important and immediate advantage is increased efficiency and productivity. By automating routine decision making and task execution, agentic AI can free humans to focus on higher level creative and strategic work instead of spending time on administrative tasks, scheduling, or data entry. People can concentrate on innovation, relationship building, and complex problem solving. The 24/7 availability of agentic AI systems provides another significant advantage. Unlike human assistants, these systems can work continuously, handling tasks and making decisions even when you are unavailable. This constant availability proves particularly valuable for businesses operating across multiple time zones or individuals managing complex schedules. Consistency and accuracy represent additional benefits. Agentic AI systems can apply consistent logic and criteria to decision-making processes, reducing the variability and errors that can occur with human-managed tasks. They can also process vast amounts of information quickly and accurately, leading to better informed decisions. The scalability of agentic AI systems means that once developed, they can handle increasing workloads without proportional increases in cost or complexity. A single AI agent can potentially manage tasks that would require multiple human workers, making sophisticated automation accessible to smaller businesses and individuals. One thing we have to keep in mind, this is all great what I've said so far. However, the power of agentic AI raises important ethical questions and challenges that demand full consideration. Transparency and explainability represent critical concerns. When AI agents make decisions and take actions on our behalf, we must understand how and why they are making those choices. Users need the ability to review the reasoning behind AI decisions, especially when those decisions carry significant consequences. This requirement means AI systems must be designed with transparency as a fundamental principle, providing clear logs of their decision-making processes and allowing users to understand the criteria and information used to reach conclusions. Control and override capabilities present another essential consideration. While autonomy defines agentic AI, users must maintain ultimate control over AI actions. This includes the ability to set clear boundaries for what the AI can and cannot do, review actions before execution in critical situations, and override AI decisions when necessary. Privacy and data security concerns become particularly acute with agentic AI systems, which often require access to sensitive personal or business information to function effectively. Organizations developing and deploying agentic AI must implement robust security measures and clear data governance policies. Users should maintain control over what information they share with AI agents and understand how that information is being used, stored, and protected. The question of accountability and responsibility becomes complex when AI agents make mistakes or cause harm. Clear frameworks must be established for accountability, including insurance, liability, and remediation processes. This proves particularly important in business contexts where AI decisions could have financial or legal implications. As we stand at this technological inflection point, the evolution from generative to agentic AI represents more than simple advancement in artificial intelligence capabilities. It signifies a fundamental shift in how we interact with technology and organize our work and lives in an increasingly digital world. The tools and frameworks being developed today are laying the groundwork for a future where AI agents can handle many of the routine tasks that currently consume our time and attention. However, realizing this potential requires careful attention to the ethical and practical challenges involved. The key lies in finding the right balance between autonomy and control, efficiency and transparency, innovation and responsibility. When we achieve this balance, agentic AI has the potential to significantly enhance human productivity and quality of life while preserving the human agency and oversight that remain essential in our AI augmented future. The transition from asking AI, "What do you think?" to saying, "Please take care of this," represents a fundamental shift that will reshape how we work, live, and interact with artificial intelligence. The question is not whether this transformation will occur, but how quickly can we adapt to harness its benefit while addressing its challenges responsibly. Thank you for joining me on this exploration of agentic AI and its implications for our technological future. I am your host, Shahid Sharif, and this has been Unlocked. Until next time, keep questioning, keep learning, and keep unlocking the possibilities that technology brings to our world.